Hi all, so today we'll see how to create a bar chart from Excel sheet in the Tableau. So we'll first import the Excel sheet. So from Tableau, first select open Microsoft Excel, and then from download I have this sales supply Excel sheet. So once we have that, open that, then yeah, so this is the columns in that order date, then region, representative, item, number of units, and unit price. So now we'll go to make a worksheet. So let's go to worksheet. So now to create a bar chart, like we have columns and rows. So we can enter the units in the columns, like how many number of units per representative. So if we now select the representative, here we'll get the bar chart but the horizontal one. So if you want to make it vertical one, here we have this direction, like we can swap the rows and columns. So this way we can create a bar chart. So after creating a bar chart, we can even arrange this in a increasing order or decreasing order. So this is the increasing order of number of units, and this is the decreasing order of number of units. So also we can add more filters into this. So let's say for example we want to show the area wise, that is region wise, the number of representative. So we can drag this region field to columns so that we can see now region wise. For example, in central region, east region, and west region, who are the representative and what are the number of units for that. So by this way we can do formatting as well. Also if we want to change the colors region wise, then also we can do this. So we can put the region under this color section and we can see the region wise color got changed. If we want to label, like for example this, we are not able to see exactly what number of units. So after like hovering pointer over is, we are able to see that units are 281. So if we want to see that units, then also we can place this units under label tag, so that we will be able to see the number of units as well. So this was all about it, like how to create a bar chart, also how to do coloring, formatting, labeling on it. So thank you so much for the watching, and please do share, likes, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.